Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students here in online study channel VC classes. Through this channel, we are studying mathematics here, and our today's topic is to find highest common factor by short division method. In our previous videos, we studied how can we find the highest common factors by prime factorization method and by listing factors. In this video, we will study to find HCF by short division method. Yes, in this method, as its name suggests, we will find the HCF by division method, but that division will be a short division. Means we will not divide 32, 144 and 216 completely. So let's start this method. We need to write the numbers 32, 144 and 216 together in this method, and now we will divide these numbers together by a common number. Here we will apply divisibility rules. Unit digit of 32 is 2, which is divisible by 2. Unit digit of 144 is 4. It is also divisible by 2. And the unit digit of 216 is 6, which is also divisible by 2. So divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. We cannot divide 1 by 2, therefore we will write 0 here, and now we will divide 16. 2 eights are 16. It is further divisible by 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 threes are 6. 1 carry 12. 2 six are 12. 2 fives are 10 and 2 fours are 8. It is further divisible by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16 and 54. 2 twos are 4, 1 carry, then it will be 14, and 2 sevens are 14. Now 4 is divisible by 2, 18 is also divisible by 2, but 27 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot divide by 2 here. If we cannot divide it by 2, we will try for 3. By 3, 4 is not divisible. So we cannot divide it by 3. 4. By 4, 18 and 27 are not divisible. And we cannot go ahead. Yes, हम 4 से आगे नहीं जा सकते, because अगर 4 से आगे जाएंगे then we will write here 5, and 5 4 को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता, because 5 is greater than 4. Therefore we cannot divide further. अब हमारे पास कोई एक ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो 4 को भी डिवाइड कर सके, जो नंबर 18 को भी डिवाइड कर सके, और जो नंबर 27 को भी डिवाइड कर सके. हमारे पास 4, 18 और 27 का अब कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. जब कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होगा तब हम अपने डिवीजन को स्टॉप कर देंगे यहीं पर. सो द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 32, 144 and 216 are common factors. Write down the common factors here, which is equals to 2 multiply 2 and multiply by 2, and we don't have any other common factors of 32, 144 and 216 here. Therefore it is also your highest common factor, and it is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 is equals to 8. When 2 will multiply 3 times, its answer will be 8. Therefore, highest common factor of 32, 144 and 216 is equals to 8, and this will be your required answer. What we have studied in this video, we have found the HCF of 32, 144 and 216 by short division method. As its name suggests itself, we will not divide the given numbers completely because it is a short division method. In this method, we will write the given numbers in ascending order, or we can write in descending order also. There is no hard and fast rule for this. Now we will divide the given numbers by the smallest common factor, and here the smallest common factor of 32, 144 and 216 is 2. Again, the smallest common factor of 16, 72 and 108 is 2, and after dividing, again the smallest common factor of 8, 36 and 54 is 2, and now we don't have any common factors of 4, 18 and 27. So we will stop our division here. यहाँ हमने अपनी डिवीजन को रोक दिया था, और उसका रीज़न था क्योंकि अब हमारे पास वो स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइज़र नहीं है, कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है जो 4, 18 और 27 को एक साथ डिवाइड कर सके. एक ही नंबर से ये तीनों नंबर्स डिविजिबल नहीं है. देयरफॉर our common factors are 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8, and this is the required highest common factor of the given numbers, and we will write here like this as we have done in our previous videos also. So HCF of 32, 144 and 216 are 8. So far we have done 3 methods to find HCF. First, we have find the HCF by listing factors method. Second, by prime factorization method, and this is method number 3, by short division method. In our next video, you will study to find highest common factor by long division method, or we can say continued division method, which is very helpful for you. I hope guys you all are safe at your home. Thanks for watching our video and have a nice day.